Andy Williams. Men of Harlem and one other.
Overactor, Tom Binder. Hiya, Stuart.
Yo, Jim. I say home, B. Did you clap
Hey, Barry Horns.
Yep, somebody took it and it was one of us. We were the only ones that were here. Who's guilty? I don't know.